Hi friends, let's have a look at the camera shake effect. I don't have any footage at hand that's not already shaky, so I just take this still image and then I will add the camera shake to it. I go to the effects library, then in the OpenFX section I'm going to search for the camera shake, drop it on the footage, then I have in my inspector, not expector. I have my camera shake, so let's play it on loop here. And then I can easily change the motion scale, the speed scale, add even some motion blur to it, pen amplitude. You can do anything here just to make it fit for your needs, make it more natural. It will take some time to get it really natural, and it will already look more natural if this wasn't a still image, but I guess you dig it. So thanks for watching, have a great day ahead, keep experimenting and have fun.